Notification is a crucial aspect of fire alarm systems. Let's take 2 minutes to learn more about audible notification appliances. So, when it comes to your fire alarm systems, your audibles are most likely going to be either horns or speakers. These are the most common types of audible appliances for a fire alarm system. What they do is provide notification through the use of sound. The spacing of these appliances is not going to be anything that you can find in the code. It is going to come down to a performance-based spacing, meaning that in public mode, we are trying to achieve at minimum 15 dB above the average ambient sound level, or we are going to at least provide 5 decibel above the maximum sound level with a duration of at least 60 seconds. Now, where we measure this sound level is going to be 5 feet above the finished floor, utilizing something called the A-weighted scale, which is just the frequency of sound that humans can hear in. When it comes to sleeping areas and our audibles, we do have some particular requirements. We are going to be trying to achieve at least 15 dB above the average ambient sound level or 5 dB above the maximum sound level with a duration of at least 60 seconds. However, in sleeping areas, we have to be producing from the audible appliance a minimum of 75 dB. Now, this is going to be measured at the pillow. That 75 dB is not going to be throughout. This is going to be 75 dB measured at the pillow itself. Now, when we take that measurement has to be recorded with any kind of barriers between the appliance and the pillow within that are there in place already. So any doors, curtains, partitions. If it's a barrier, we have to put that barrier in place and still be providing that 75 dB at the pillow. Also, we are going to be producing a low frequency 520 hertz tone for the sleeping areas themselves. This 520 hertz tone will only apply to the sleeping area. With our audible mounting, audibles do have to be mounted a minimum of 90 inches above the finished floor to the top of the device, and at minimum 6 inches down from the ceiling. If the ceiling is less than 96 inches, we are going to mount the audible at least 6 inches from the ceiling. We do have options to use ceiling mount as well.
Looking for an excuse to go to Las Vegas? Check out National Training Conference happening in Las Vegas October 15th through 17th. At this event, we'll be offering multiple training classes, including NICET Fire Alarm Track, NICET Sprinkler Track, and a Fire Alarm Systems Track. For more information, visit our website at nationaltrainingcenter.com/conference.